is going on, everybody? My name is Chris Hau and I'm a YouTube and content creator from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And today we're gonna be talking about this right here, the Nikon Z6. Now I posted a video to my channel recently and I thought I'd give you a little behind the scenes on how we shot that and what we did while we were exploring with this camera. Now I've been in Europe for the last few weeks and I got this camera the day before I left for Europe, so I only had about a day to start exploring with it and start shooting with it before we entered Ireland. On the first night that we arrived, it started raining and I thought this would be a perfect time to test the low light capabilities of this camera because it claims to be one of the best low light cameras on the market in terms of video capabilities. So we went out on a rainy night in Belfast, Ireland, and here are some of the video clips that we captured. Now, most of those were shot at 120 frames a second on a kit lens. That's right, a 24-70 f4 lens, which means that when you have f4, you can't rely on low aperture to get more light in. So what do? You have to boost that ISO, which usually introduces a lot more grain, but most of those clips were shot at like 4,000 to 10,000 ISO, and I thought the images looked really good. Also, a handful of those clips were shot at 4K in real time, and the 4K images look amazing because this camera actually shoots 6K internal and then down reses it to 4K, so that's why a lot of those shots look super crispy. So I only had one day before we went out and started shooting with this camera, and one of the things that I really loved about it is how good it felt in your hands. And while you're going out and shooting and doing the handheld movements, is it just felt really nice. It didn't feel like a toy where it kind of dangles a little bit or you can add a lot of motion. It just feels really solid in your hands. And the second thing is that the menu system is really intuitive and really easy to understand. I don't like it when menu systems are too complicated or it's hard to find the setting that you really want. Everything is laid out really easy in this menu system. So those are two really big things in terms of picking up a camera for the first time where I could actually go out and start shooting and capture the content that I actually wanted. So yes, those are two things I really love. Now, where does this camera fit for someone like you who might be watching this video? So if you're like me and you like to shoot both photo and video content, well, this is a perfect camera for those things. The nice thing that I wanted to note about Nikon is that they don't have a competing cinema line. So in terms of their products, they just jam-packed really great video features into this mirrorless setup. So not only do you get the best of the photography world in terms of 24 megapixels, great dynamic range, but you're also getting really great video capabilities. Now, one of the things that's really nice about the Nikon Z6 and what I'm looking forward to with grabbing this camera is that they're gonna have RAW capabilities with this soon. But in the meantime, if you pair this up with an external video recorder, you can get 4:2:2 color and you get 10-bit out of it, which if you guys don't know what that means, it just means that you have a lot more flexibility in post-production in terms of color grading. They also have a flat profile that you can record when you're using that external recorder called N-Log, so you have another level of color definition and getting really high dynamic range out of this camera. Overall, after using this for the last month or so, I really like this camera. I think Nikon came to the game very strong in terms of its video capabilities, and as someone who is a professional content creator who shoots both commercial work and regular YouTube content, this is kind of like the perfect world for all of that, where I can meet my photo demands, where I can meet my video demands in terms of YouTube and social, but also commercial level quality when I'm working with some of our bigger brands. So yes, overall, Nikon, this is a great camera.